I have seen a lot of Chachalaca down here in the Rio Grande Valley, but never as many as I am seeing at the Bird Blind in the Laguna Atascosa Wildlife Management Area at feeding time. I saw new lumber stacked up and asked about it. They are building another bird blind here. It will be nice, I hear. Currently, there are no plans for a watering feature at the bird blind, but I am told it can be added later. If you plan to come down here to the Rio Grande Valley on a birding adventure, be sure to put the Laguna Atascosa WMA on your list as a place to visit.